Moving on from personal pronouns, let's take a look at another type of pronouns. And I promise you, the rest of these different types of pronouns will not take nearly as long to look at as personal pronouns. Let's talk about indefinite pronouns. An indefinite pronoun refers to an unspecified substantive. Here are your indefinite pronouns, or some of them: all, any, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, and several more. I'll show them all to you in just a minute. Compared to personal pronouns, which refer to specified nouns, you see indefinite pronouns refer to unspecified substantives. This is your largest group of pronouns. There's a couple dozen of these. The antecedents of indefinite pronouns may be logically understood, but are still not specified people, places, or things. You can't really name them very easily. For instance, everyone going on the field trip must submit a signed permission form. Everyone, the antecedent of everyone, is not some specified person or group of people. Yeah, it's this unspecified group. It's everyone who must submit a signed permission form, as in, I'm not sure who all that is yet, so I use the indefinite pronoun everyone. Another example, I applied to MIT and to Cal Poly, and I would be lucky to get accepted into either. Okay. Here, either is one or the other school, so it's not a specific school, it's one or the other. Indefinite pronouns can also be singular or plural, just like personal pronouns. And here's a lovely chart that you can feel free to copy down in your notebooks. We've got the singular indefinite pronouns, which are another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, enough, everybody, everyone, everything, less, little, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, other, somebody, someone, something. The plural pronouns, both, few, fewer, many, others, several, and then some of these indefinite pronouns can actually be either singular or plural depending on how they're used. And those are all, any, more, most, none, some, such. Some indefinite pronouns can function as substantives or as attributives. As in this sentence here, all in the lobby must remain seated. Here, our indefinite pronoun all is functioning as a substantive because all is standing alone as this group of people in the sentence. All must remain seated. Whereas if I said all personnel in the lobby must remain seated, now all is actually acting as an attributive. It's now not standing alone as people in the sentence, it's actually modifying personnel. It's specifying which personnel are being referred to. There are some indefinite pronouns which can only function as substantives. There aren't any indefinite pronouns which can only function as attributives. So I don't want to sit here and give you the list because really it's all about just asking yourself whether this word is standing alone as stuff in the sentence or is it modifying some stuff in the sentence. That's how you determine whether an indefinite pronoun can function as a substantive or an attributive. All right, go ahead and take a look at the next few questions over indefinite pronouns.